How does a hybrid heat pump water heater work? Heat pump water heaters generally operate on the same basic principles, but they can have some differences in design, features, and applications. For this video, we have a heat pump water heater from Ruud, which is Rheem's professional line of water heaters. The operation starts with a fan drawing in the air into the upper enclosure of the heat pump, where it passes through a filter to remove dust and debris. The heat from the air is absorbed by an eco-friendly refrigerant within the evaporator coil, and cool, dehumidified air is then expelled. The refrigerant, pumped by the compressor through the refrigerant system, undergoes a temperature increase. This heated refrigerant is then directed to the condenser, which is wrapped around the water heater tank, transferring heat from the refrigerant to the water. Heat pump water heaters are more energy efficient because they move heat rather than generate it directly. As we view the energy guide stickers of a standard water heater and a heat pump water heater, you can see the difference in yearly operating costs. To compare the energy use of your water heater, check the energy guide sticker located on the side of your water heater tank. You can also look into the available tax credits for installing a heat pump water heater, such as the current federal tax credit of up to $2,000. Additional incentives may also be available in your state or with your local utility company. If you want to determine how to maximize your tax credits, visit EnergyStar.gov to learn more.